Sex is natural, but sexuality is the byproduct of human mind. Sex is simple and complicated at the same time. Sex energy is the basic life force which consists and affects Annamay, physical, Pranamay, energy, Manomay, mental, and Vigyanmay koshas. Kosha means sheath or layer. Fifth kosha or layer is Anandamay, bliss. Kosha or layer of bliss, and underneath these five koshas, five layers, there is pure eternal divine consciousness or your real self. This eternal consciousness filters through all these five layers and manifests different appearances according to each layer. Difference of male and female sex energy remains up to 4 layers or 4 bodies. After that, bliss happens, which is a state of oneness and real nature of the source or real self. For male body, second body consists feminine energy, third is masculine, and fourth is again feminine. In the female body, second body consists masculine energy, third is feminine, and fourth is again masculine. This is the fundamental structure of male and female existence, which is opposite and complementary. Everyone is in search of bliss, which originally happens with the unison of masculine and feminine energy within. Outwardly, every male and female searches the same bliss through sexual union, which provides an opportunity for the inner unison of yin and yang. If it remains only on the surface of physical, it remains unfulfilled, dissatisfied, and frustrating. When it goes deeper and involves inner koshas or inner layers or inner bodies, only then it brings deeper bliss and an experience of oneness. There is nothing wrong in homosexuality outwardly. It is simply a personal orientation and choice, and certainly not a crime, unless it includes violence and exploitation. But spiritually, it is an imbalance of yin and yang. Sexual union between same sex can disturb and distort inner bodies. Since sexual union involves inner bodies, it interchanges energies and karmas. Ultimately, sexual union must happen out of deep love, respect, and commitment. True love is deep rooted and conscious, not frivolous and unconscious. This rooted and conscious love is able to eliminate all kinds of inner or outer confusion, distortion, and imbalance.